everyone. Let's learn some colors and 2D shapes. Yellow color, purple color, light pink color, dark green color, light pink color, sky blue color, red color, grey color, light brown color, orange color, light yellow color. It's red color. Let's draw the shape. Circle, triangle, vertical rectangle, heart, pentagon, star, olive green color, yellow color, green color, purple color, pink color, light yellow color, circle, triangle, vertical rectangle, heart, pentagon, star. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. Bye.